Welcome to another episode on crypto and stock. Let's get started with the first news that is coming from India. So, in last 6 months, quality stocks have fallen by up to 35%, and here is the list. Asian Paint down by 18%, which is down mostly because of Ukraine-Russia war, and the oil prices have gone up massively, and that's the reason Asian Paints is down by 18%. And followed by a lot of other quality names: HUL, Colgate, Nestle, Dabur India, Tata Consumer, Godrej Consumer. Just have a look at this. Godrej Consumer and Tata Consumer, one of the best stocks in Indian stock market, and they're down by up to 35%. But in this all chaos, ITC is up by 5.6%. So ITC has been like very sloppy since last 10 years, 8 to 10 years. It hasn't given returns to the investor. The stock price is stagnant around 210 rupees a piece. But I think in the next decade, ITC will give spectacular returns to the investors, because since last 10 years haven't been really good for this company. Next 10 years hopefully will be the best. So keep an eye on this particular stock, ITC. Also, they give very good dividend yield as well. The next news again coming from India. They have shared a list of the stocks at 52-week low, and some are very quality names, especially HDFC Group, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, then ICICI Lombard from insurance sector, HUL, Shree Cement, one of the best stock in cement sector, Ultratech Cement as well, Britannia, biscuit manufacturer, Hero Motocorp, the leading two-wheeler manufacturer, Motherson Sumi. Motherson Sumi has exposure to European markets, and that's the reason, because of Ukraine-Russia war, the stock is down. And then there is Aarti Drugs, Apollo Tires, Rane Bricks, AIA Engineering, Indigo Paints, Lupin. All these stocks at 52-week low. The next news, very important news coming from India. 8 US stocks will start trading on NSE IFSC in Gift City from today. So NSE National Stock Exchange IFSC Center, they will be trading like your retail investors can go and purchase these 8 US stocks. Just have a look at this list of the stocks, which stocks people can invest. So till now people were not able to invest into the US stocks from India, but because of NSE, there were some companies, but not from NSE or BSE platform. So this is the first time that NSE platform is coming up with this infrastructure where people can directly invest in these stocks from US. And the list includes Berkshire Hathaway, Mastercard, JP Morgan Chase, Morgan Stanley, Nike, PayPal, PepsiCo, Pfizer, Intel, and also Alphabet, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, Apple, and Walmart. And eventually 50 largest US companies will be listed. So really good opportunity for the Indian investors. People were like eager to invest in US stocks, but right now NSE has given really good platform for them to invest in these names. Let's move on to the next news. John Ehrlichman has tweeted this one. So value of $5,000 invested 20 years ago, how much it would be for some of the quality names. Monster Beverages, because the massive returns this particular stock has given. $4.7 million if you had invested just $5,000 in this particular stock. Then followed by Apple, which would have turned your $5,000 into $2 million. Oh my god, that's massive amount of money. And then there is a Netflix, which would have which would have given you $1.6 million. And then there is a Amazon, which is around $1 million, and Nvidia, AutoZone, Intuit, Adobe, Nike, Starbucks, Microsoft, Magri, and Disney. So all these stocks have given really good returns for the investors in last 20 years. The next news related to the Ukraine-Russia crisis. So Global Times is a state-run media company in China, and what they are saying is that the major beneficiary of this crisis is gonna be US, because since Russia is fighting with Ukraine and rest of the European countries, they there will be impact on the Russian economy. The European countries will not do the trading with the Russia, and what will happen is that the trading with US will increase. Basically, US natural gas exports to Europe will increase. Then dollar will get strengthened. Profit for US military industrial complex, and then European Union and Russia trade disrupted, so European Union becomes more dependent on US. So as you can see, the real beneficiary is going to be United States as per Global Times, and that will benefit some companies of the United States, but at the same time some companies will also take a hit. For example, Apple and Tesla, these companies have their business has slowed down in Russia already, and also because of the sanctions imposed by United States and UK and European countries on Russia as well. The next tweet is about HDFC Group. As I said earlier, HDFC Group hasn't given good returns. Basically, they have given negative returns actually in last 1 year, and these are the stocks from the group: HDFC, then HDFC Bank, AMC Asset Management Company, and HDFC Life. So generally, when these stocks do not give good returns in last 1 year or last 2 years, most probably the next upcoming year will be really good for the investors in this company. So if you have some money, do invest in these stocks without giving a second thought, because these are quality names, and today or tomorrow they will rise. So just keep on accumulating, and you will get good returns in next couple of years. Next news is about the eBay and crypto. So eBay is gonna accept crypto payments. That is what CEO of the eBay is saying. So confidence boosting news for the crypto investors. And as I said earlier, things that have been halted in Russia includes some of the big names like Apple product sales have been halted. Nike online sales have been halted as well, and as you can see, most of the US companies will take the hit. At the same time, some companies will get benefited as well. The next news is about the ICICI General Insurance. So return on equity and profit after tax has grown 20% CAGR over 8 years. So really good company, ICICI Lombard General Insurance. And what this tweet is talking about is that this particular stock has got really a bright future, and from long-term perspective, basically it will give good returns for the investors. ICICI General Insurance, ICICI Lombard General Insurance. Keep an eye on this particular stock. Next is related to Visa and MasterCard. So they have blocked Russian banks from their networks after sanctions. Oh my god. So as you can see, Visa and MasterCard will not do any transactions involved with Russian businesses. So basically that will also affect their revenues as well, Visa and MasterCard's revenue and profit as well. The next is about returns of stocks and the crypto this year. So Bitcoin has given -4%, Google has given -6%. So basically most of the stocks are in negative territory, and one of the stocks, some stocks are given -50%. Basically Roblox, Shopify, PayPal, Meta, Facebook parent company, then Netflix, Spotify. So really good companies, and they are into negative zone, so basically weak zone. But I think from long term perspective, this is really good opportunity to ramp up the positions in some of the stocks. The next news about the crypto. So Polkadot founder has donated $5 million to Ukrainian government to fight against Russian military. So that's it in today's video. If you have more questions related to in general investing, like how to do fundamental analysis, how to do technical analysis, let me know through the comments, and I will try to make a video specifically on that particular concepts, on even options, futures, etc. Thanks for watching.